In the garden of kindness we sow, with hearts open wide love will grow. Sweet tea daily spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole, and today I'm unboxing a Buzz Lightyear shoebox for a boy who's 5 to 9 for Operation Christmas Child. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so when he opens his box, this is what he'll see. And I'm going to remove the papers so that you can see the lid design. So here is the lid. It says Jesus loves you, and there's a picture of Buzz Lightyear and his pet cat Socks. And I don't know if you can see in the corner, but it says to infinity and beyond. And if you would like to use this lid design for your own shoe boxes, you can click the link in the description box and it will take you to the lid design. So on the very top, there is this Aurora beanie cat. I tried to find one that looked like the character Socks. This one was less expensive and it fit better in the shoebox because it was a little bit smaller. And I think he's really cute. Next we have this Buzz Lightyear. I got him on Amazon for $4.57. The regular price was $19.98. His hands move and his arms move. He's just really neat. His helmet comes off. I think he'll be really fun to play with. Next, he has a shirt. It has the space shuttle on it. It says NASA. I got this from the children's place and it was on clearance. Here is a little pull back space shuttle that says "Go with God." A space puzzle. A washcloth. He has a compact mirror. A flying disc. I found this kite at the Dollar Tree with an astronaut on it. I thought that would be fun for this theme. I have a little notebook that I got at Michael's and it was on clearance. I think I paid maybe 80 cents. Here is his pencil pack. He has 4 pencils, a pen, a couple erasers, a rocket ship pencil sharpener, a ruler, and some astronaut and rocket erasers. He has a pencil pouch with some crayons, some space stickers, and some star stickers. He has some colored pencils and another Buzz Lightyear that's a little bit smaller. I bought this for $3.93 on Amazon. It was originally $11.99. today it's on sale for $9.89. He has a comb, a pair of scissors, some Superman socks that I thought matched his NASA shirt, two cars, a blow-up globe ball, a glue stick with some instructions on how to use a glue stick, a toothbrush, a bouncy ball that's a space themed, a whistle, a space themed slap bracelet, a color form set. He has a color form set with some Buzz Lightyear color form stickers. This is a coloring book that I made and put on my website, sweetteadaily.com. It is supposed to be something that you would see in a church windows. They're just very simple pictures. I like to include faith-based items in my shoeboxes. A book about space. I really liked the pictures in this book. I know that he may not be able to read English or know English, but I like to include books that have really good pictures in them. He has a pair of underwear. These are PJ Masks underwear, but it has stars on there, so to me it looked a little bit like outer space. He has this Buzz Lightyear bag that he can take his items home in if he cannot fit them all back in the box. I have a card and letter for him with our picture on it. He has these glow-in-the-dark planet stickers. Next, he has this coloring book featuring Woody and Buzz and all of the characters from the first movie. The first movie was my favorite. And these are some really cute pictures in here. And he has an astronaut notebook for school. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, his story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles